I hope you are in a noise reduction mode. You can hear it. Okay, I forgot to switch off the fan. Ah, guys, मैंने ओवर तारीफ कर ली क्या? निकल ही नहीं रहा है. Consistency. Oh. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Glamour with Apurva. This is me, Mrs. Apurva Shubham Harade Patil, and today I am back with a new video, with a new sit down video after ages. I really missed filming these videos. हम एक्टिव जरूर थे हमारे चैनल पे ऑन शॉर्ट्स एंड इंस्टाग्राम. इफ यू डोंट फॉलो मी ऑन माई इंस्टाग्राम, दिस इज माई हैंडल. जल्दी जल्दी फॉलो कर लो, आपको वहां पे अपडेट्स बहुत जल्दी मिलेंगे. एंड इट्स रियली रियली गुड टू बी बैक एंड सिटिंग डाउन एंड फिल्मिंग अ लॉन्ग फॉर्म video. And first of all, thank you so much for all the love that you guys showed me on my transition videos, on my shorts as well. I'm really really grateful. Now we are a family of 450 plus subscribers, and really grateful, and that would be a very beautiful gift for my birthday. So really thankful. ऐसे ही और हम हमारी फैमिली बढ़ाएंगे. एंड आज के वीडियो के लिए ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन सी आई हैव डॉल्ड अप एंड ग्लैम्ड अप, तो थोड़ा कुछ मेकअप रिलेटेड होगा, बट नो, इट्स नॉट अ मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल. इट इज द नायकाज पिंक सेल रिकमेंडेशंस. दो सेल ऑलरेडी चालू हो चुकी है. आई थिंक जुलाई 18 से कुछ तो चालू हो चुकी है, एंड आई फील ये वीडियो आने तक शायद सेल खत्म भी हो जाए. यू कैन सेव इट फॉर योर अदर नायका सेल, एंड आई होप दिस इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू गाइज, बिकॉज मैंने बहुत अफोर्डेबल रेंज में ट्राई किया है टू पिक अप प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड ऑल्सो आई वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई सम न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स जो आ चुके थे. So yeah, that is it, and without any further ado, let's begin with a video. So the first category that comes in makeup is of course a primer, a moisturizer. I don't like to switch up my primers that much because I am a sensitive skin type and a dry skin type. तो अगर मैं कुछ नया ट्राई करती हूँ तो फटाक से मुझे एक तो एक्ने हो जाता है, या रेडनेस हो जाती है, या इचिंग हो जाती है. सो आई डोंट प्ले अराउंड माई प्राइमर्स और माई स्किन केयर द मोस्ट. But some products are in the market जो actually are very good for dry skin type and for sensitive skin type as well. So I wanted to test it out. So got a few primers in. The first one is going to be the PAC Aqua Blast water based moisturizer. This gives you intense hydration, absorbs quickly, lightweight and non greasy. So this is also very good for dry skin type, and as well as I think फॉर ऑयली स्किन टाइप्स एज वेल, क्योंकि अगर आपकी स्किन ग्रीसी हो जाती है तो दैट इज वेरी गुड. ओके, द बॉटल साउंड्स लग्जरी, द बॉटल लुक्स लग्जरी, एंड आई हैड हर्ड अबाउट दिस. इट इज अ वाटर बेस्ड kind of a product, so good for sensitive skin and good for oily skin as well. I'm going to try this out. It has a very thick consistency. Can you see? It has a very thick consistency, and let me just apply here. Oh yeah, it has no fragrance, so it's good for sensitive skin, and yeah, it does absorbs quickly. Like, yeah, it did absorb quickly. Can you see? Okay, the prices of the products with the discounted prices will be available in the description box and as well as here somewhere. So do check that out as well. Now the next is the primer. This was a moisturizer. I need to see a primer now. Okay, we have a primer, a new primer in collection. This is the Nykaa Super Light Blur Peptide Primer. Peptides, hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil. Nykaa is also launching beautiful products these days. So this is how it looks. Very cutesy packaging. Now let's take a dot of a little bit watery. And you see it's a little bit watery. It's the first thing. First drop. I'm trying to... Okay, the texture is very smooth. Yeah, it is very soft and smooth and very lightweight. I must say it is a very lightweight primer. Okay, has no fragrance at all, so perfect for sensitive skin. It has a blurring effect because I applied the moisturizer before this and now it's blurred out completely the shine of the moisturizer. जो shine हमें मिला था वो blur out हो चुका है. So yeah, it is a very blurring kind of a primer. Okay, now the third one that has made to the list is by Mars. This is the Mars. It's Glow O'Clock Gripping Primer with green tea extracts. Now this one was a very viral product and I wanted to get my hands on this, and of course I love Mars ke products very much, and Mars is really doing new products and they are giving something. So I wanted to get my hands on this, and this is how the packaging looks. Now this is a grip primer. Okay, this is a grip primer, so it holds your makeup for very long. Okay, ये this is something जो नया launch हुआ in the primer category, a gripping primer that can hold and lock your makeup for hours. तो अगर आप शादी अटेंड कर रहे हो या कोई फंक्शन अटेंड कर रहे हो जहाँ आपको लंबे समय तक मेकअप अप्लाई करना है, तो आई थिंक दिस वन वर्क्स फॉर यू. या हैज अ लिटिल green tea wala smell. It's a gel based primer if I'm not wrong. Okay, it's a very watery gel based primer and has a very sticky consistency just like a glue because it is a gripping primer. Whenever you're applying a gripping primer, always remember, do not do this. You have to tap it because it is not like a normal textured primer. It is a gripping primer. So just apply with tapping motion. Okay, I have taken a little more, that's why it's not blending, but this is the way the texture looks like. It's a little sticky. I think with first time I have to use it very wisely. Thoda sa bhi product is enough. Okay, then the next one is a concealer. For concealer, I did not get any new concealers. I have stocked up my old concealers. Just the one concealer that I was trying to get my hands on for a very long time, but जब भी मैं try करती थी, it was always out of stock, was the Tipsy Beauty's Hangover Proof Full Coverage Concealer. And it has been in market for a long time. अभी अभी नहीं launch हुआ है, बहुत time से है, but I wanted to get it and I'm finding this थोड़ा सा मुझे shade light लग रहा है. Okay, it is a very fair kind of a shade. I don't think it's going to match me, but still applying it थोड़ा सा. Can you see? बहुत ही fair kind of shade है ये. It's going to be very light to my skin. I don't know, कैमरा पे पता नहीं शायद मैच भी लग रहा होगा, बट अभी मैं जहाँ पे देख रही हूँ इट इज अ वेरी लाइट शेड, बट हम इससे फिर भी काम चला सकते हैं. वी कैन यूज इट टू लाइटन आवर अंडर आई. तो कंसीलर में आई हैड जस्ट वन कंसीलर. नाउ नेक्स्ट अप आर फाउंडेशंस. तो अब फाउंडेशंस में एक नई कैटेगरी लॉन्च हुई है विच इज द स्किन टिंट फाउंडेशंस और द सीरम फाउंडेशंस. So I really wanted to try one. I have got two in it, and the first one is the L'Oreal Inflammable 24 hours tinted serum, and this was newly launched, so I had to get my hands on this and really love the way it looked. It is a full coverage or buildable kind of a tinted serum foundation and has a dropper. And let's try the shade. I hope this one's a match. No, it is a perfect match. Can you see? मैंने बहुत कम लिया है, मे बी आपको उतना क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा होगा, बट इट इज अ परफेक्ट मैच एंड हैज अ लिटिल ग्लो और शाइन टू इट. मतलब प्रॉपर सीरम की तरह मैट नहीं लग रहा है. सो इट्स अ गुड एवरीडे काइंड ऑफ अ फाउंडेशन. स्किन टिंट और द सीरम foundation is by Revolution Skin Silk Radiance Satin Serum Foundation. This is also a new launch if I'm not wrong, and the bottle looks very rich. बहुत ऐसे watery effect है. I think that is with the serums. The serum foundation has a watery kind of a texture, not a thick texture like a normal foundation. I'm happy that the shade is a match, guys. Yeah, I'm happy that the shade is a match. Okay, we have a lot of foundations to go through because foundations बहुत नए launch हो रहे थे, and I could not stop myself from getting all the new foundations because I was tired using the same one foundation in all my tutorials, so I had to get new ones. Now the other skin tint again is from Nykaa, the Nykaa Super Light Serum Infused Skin Tint. I know I have purchased a lot of skin tints, guys, but जैसे मैंने बोला मैं dry skin type हूँ, and the more the merrier. मेरे लिए ऐसे जो skin tint foundations है are a gift. so I wanted to try as many as I could. The bottle looks like very very aesthetically pleasing, and अभी से मुझे थोड़ा सा वापस डर लगने लगा है बिकॉज ये भी थोड़ा सा लाइट लग रहा है. Okay, it is into a medium fair shade, not a proper match, but I think I can work with it. थोड़ा सा येलोइश अंडरटोन है, दो मेरा वार्म अंडरटोन है, बट या थोड़ा सा हम काम चला सकते हैं आफ्टर सेटिंग इट विद आवर कंसीलर एंड पाउडर. सो नॉट दैट बैड, इतना भी लाइट नहीं है एंड सीरम की ही तरह फैल रहा है. इट इज अगेन इन वाटरी टेक्सचर और बहुत स्मूथ कंसिस्टेंसी है, easy to glide, easy to blend as well. Moving on to another thing, I think these two I'll take together because it is from the same brand and the brand is K Beauty. So it's been a very long time that I tested out the K Beauty's products as well. मैंने बहुत पहले पहले I think मैं वीडियो फिल्म नहीं कर रही थी तब I think I have tested out जब नया नया मार्केट में आया था. So abhi I wanted to again test out their new products that have been launched. So this is the K Beauty ka hydrating foundation enriched with avocado plus mango butter, and this is the K Beauty ka soft matte full coverage foundation. This is again with the SPF 30 and hyaluronic acid. Shout out to Katrina Kaif. I think she launches really good products as well. ये वाला थोड़ा मुझे लाइट अगेन लग रहा है ड्यू टू द पैकेजिंग. मैंने शेड तो मीडियम ही मंगाया था दोनों में. पैकेजिंग इज लक्स एंड द शेड इज स्पॉट ऑन गाइज. आई एम सो हैप्पी. द शेड इज स्पॉट ऑन. मैं बॉटल से देख के बता सकती हूँ. द पैकेजिंग इज very luxe. Okay, this one also has a very luxe packaging. आप देख सकते हो थोड़ा mattifying kind of दिया effect with a golden lid. So these are the two and I'm going to make a short video on this as well, so do check it out. So हम try करेंगे ये वाला which is a hydrating foundation and then I will try the mattifying one. So again has a pump applicator. We have taken it here and let me just see. Okay, it is also very hydrating. Already मुझे थोड़ा सा smooth and gluey kind of finish दिख रहा है. Now I am also going to try out the matte वाला, the soft matte, not the complete matte वाला, just like the Lumi cream one. Yeah, but थोड़ा सा darker shade में है, थोड़ा सा warmer shade में है. If you can see, ये वाला जो था हमारा वो perfect match हो चुका है. ये थोड़ा सा darker shade में, but I don't mind. I can work with this one. The last in the foundation category is going to be the Tirtiz Mask Fit Red Cushion Foundation, and it has been in the buzz for a while. मैंने मिनी वाला लिया है, मैंने बड़ा वाला नहीं लिया है. It's too expensive. And पहले तो मुझे शेड ट्राई करना था कि परफेक्ट है या नहीं, उसके बाद मैं बड़े वाले में इन्वेस्ट करूंगी. पैकेजिंग स्क्रीम्स लक्स, मतलब देख के ही लग रहा है कि ये बहुत ही लक्स काइंड ऑफ लुकिंग प्रोडक्ट है. दिस इज सो क्यूट, हैज अ लिटिल मिरर इनसाइड दिस poof thing which is equivalent to one of or two of my fingers, and हम इसे यहाँ से open करेंगे like a door and let's see whether it's my shade or not. This is the cushion thingy अंदर and उस पे जब आप ये puff press करोगे तो foundation आएगा. Let me show you. Okay, let's see. थोड़ा सा press करूंगी. Okay, I think this much is good. Dab 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 dab. Okay. Very fine consistency. Oh, it is my match, guys. It is my match. I think I've nailed it in matching my foundations. Kuch foundations. Yeah, it is a perfect match. Yep, and is a full coverage, guys. मुझे यहाँ पे एक little mark था तो वो cover हो चुका है. Yes, it is a full. Oh my god. अब मैं regret कर रही हूँ कि मुझे इसका बड़ा size लेना चाहिए था. Finally done with the foundations. Now moving on to the next item, which is the blushes. Blushes, maybe I have a lot of blushes. When I say a lot, okay, in blushes we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 blushes right here. The first two are by K Beauty and these are the newly launched velvet blushes and I wanted to get my hands on this. So मैंने बहुत अतरंगी से colors लिए हैं. I didn't opt for pink or peach. मेरे पास already बहुत सारे pink and peach पड़े हुए हैं. तो I wanted to opt like a new color जो market में आ रहा है. And अभी आजकल mauve tones and purple and brown tones बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहे हैं. पहले हम try करेंगे a viral color which is little in the plum kind of shade. Looks like a dark chocolatey brown, but है थोड़ा सा plum, थोड़ा सा mauve kind of a shade. Love the packaging, yeah. Like K Beauty nails it when it is about packaging. I love the luxe effect. Ooh, the color screams plum. Can you see? It's so beautiful. Just look at the color. Oh my god. Such a beautiful color. I don't want to smudge this. I don't want to touch it also. Oh god. I don't want to spoil it यार. मेरे को ना बहुत जान पे आ जाती है when ये ऐसे spoiling वाला चीज आता है, but क्या करें, we have to try. Oh my god. The texture is so creamy and so velvety. Okay, the color is also not as per this color. It's in a reddish tone. Can you see? I'll just swatch it here. I hope this is enough. Oh my god, yeah. The color is a kind of dark pinkish red tone. So it's not perfectly that dark. Oh my god. Oof. Let's try the next one. I'm so happy it turned out so good. Okay. Next is Deepen. Now this is a purple kind of a shade, I know, but I'm trying to experiment also with the blushes. So ये थोड़ा सा purple kind of a shade में है. Okay. Oh, it's such a beautiful purple, but not that jhatak purple. It is a mauve and softened purple. Oh, okay. It is again a pink tone. थोड़ा सा purple जिसका effect है. See this one. You see, this is the shade. ये थोड़ा सा dark maroonish pink में था. ये थोड़ा सा pink tone, but थोड़ा slight purple hint में है. So yeah, this is the shade. I am loving it. How it's turning out. Katrina has really worked off with the shade. Again, a blush, but this is a blush stick from Nykaa. It is the Nykaa's Get Cheeky blush stick. And this is the pink packaging जो हमारे नायका का packaging है. Okay, this is the way the stick looks. Beautiful metallic kind of packaging है. Comes with a lid, so you can again pack it up. Can you see? It's a beautiful berry color. Let me smudge it over here. See? Very good berry tone. I think winter tone है ये. Beautiful थोड़ा सा maroonish undertone है with a little dark purple shade. And the last one in the blush category is the Maybelline New York Sun Kissed Matte Blush. It's a liquid blush, but in matte consistency. Again, a berry tone color. And I wanted to get my hands on it. ये new launch है. ये collaborate हुआ था with Malvika Sitlani. If you don't know, she is also a fashion and beauty lifestyle कंटेंट क्रिएटर ऑन यूट्यूब. तो उनके साथ ये हुआ था एंड बहुत सारे क्रिएटर्स ने भी इसके साथ कोलैबोरेट किया था. तो आई वांटेड टू गेट माय हैंड्स ऑन इट. सो आई हैव अगेन पिक्ड अप अ वेरी शेड. मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, मैंने बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है विद द न्यू शेड्स, बट सो फार लविंग इट. Okay, now this looks like a lipstick for some reason, but is very beautiful. बहुत cute packaging लग रहा है. And it's creaming berry tone. Let me check out. Okay, has a doe foot applicator. थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे एक drop लेंगे. Yup, very pigmented. Can you see? Very pigmented. It's just a light drop. Okay, has the same color just before we have seen. Has a little darker purple extent in it. थोड़ा सा ज्यादा पर्पलिश लग रहा है ये rather than maroon type में या pink type में. So I can say it's a purple berry kind of a blush, proper purple blush है. But I'm loving it still. We can experiment it in many ways. And I think darker skin tones के लिए it looks very good. Okay, now moving on after blushes, the next category is going to be highlighters and contour. तो highlighter में मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं लिया है. I've taken one highlighter, contours, तो हम उसे साथ में ही explore करेंगे. तो highlighter में I opted for the K Beauty Illuminating Liquid Luminizer. This was also a talk for a long time and I wanted to try it. So I selected for a rose kind of color, like rose gold color, not proper gold color because I don't like gold highlighter. Has a beautiful packaging again. Nailed it with the packaging. Chotu sa bottle hai, so it is also travel friendly. This is the, okay, it is a very soft mauve pink highlighter, and when you blend it, it will give you a very soft pink kind of a shine. Next category is the contour. In contour, I just have one contour in my vanity, so of course I had it to upgrade it. It is by Iris Chiseled Liquid Contour. This drived my attention because, let me show you, the packaging itself is so cute and it is very different. The applicator is different. This is the way it looks, very luxe. And let me show you the applicator. इसकी वजह से ही ये attention draw हुआ है. This is the applicator. So cute. It is a spot kind of a applicator. Let's check the shade. Oh, it's a medium tone brown with little dark color going on. Okay. It blended very easily और shade उतना दिख के नहीं आ रहा है. It's little dark, little lighter for my skin tone. Maybe हाथ पे वैसा लग रहा होगा, when हम try करेंगे तब पता चलेगा. Okay, now next up is okay, for powder. I don't have many recommendations for powder. I have the one which is the Pakka pink powder. I have refilled it again. The second one, I don't know whether it's a powder or whether it's a primer, because बहुत सारे जो यूट्यूबर्स हैं वो इसे प्राइमर की तरह अप्लाई कर लेते हैं बिफोर the video. So I'm really confused, but it says it's a gel compact. It is the Maska Settler and Bloater Gel Compact. So I think it can be used as a compact as well. Looks like a compact, looks like a powder, but बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स हैं जो इसे प्राइमर की तरह यूज कर रहे हैं. So I'm really confused. Gel based compact. Yeah, has a gel consistency and comes with this puff. Let me just swatch it. Yeah, it is in a gel consistency. जैसे ही मैंने प्रेस किया, okay, and has a blurring effect as well. मैंने पहले ही थोड़ा सा जो K Beauty का illuminator लगाया था, तो it has blurred out that so beautifully. I'm shocked right now. Okay, it is a beautiful compact. अगर ये compact है तो it is a very good compact. Moving from the powder section to the eye palette, eye makeup section. Now for eyeshadows, please do not judge me, but I have a lot of recommendations for eyeshadows because बहुत सारे नए launches थे and I needed to get my hands on it. So I have 1, 2, oh my god, 3, 4, oh my god, 5, 6, 7. I can't even hold this. 7 eyeshadow palette recommendations. I know it's a lot, but क्या करूँ, बहुत अच्छे नए launches थे. So we'll start with the sizes. The first one is a bigger one. This is by the Swiss Beauty. It is the Swiss Beauty Power Stage, the Royal Tribe 20 eyeshadow palette, and this is a very good eyeshadow palette. I have used it once and मैंने mention नहीं किया, but I have used it, and it was for some occasion or something, I think, and it's a very good palette if you want it for your wedding function or for your function or any Indian looks. Is the one palette you need. If you have it, you're sorted. So let me just open it and look at it. It's so beautiful. Has a mirror above and has all the matte and all the golden shades that you need to glam up. So you can call it like a glam up plus a normal palette as well. So if you want something जिसमें आपको glam करने के लिए भी shades हो, eye shades हो, and थोड़े बहुत shades आपको normally use करने के लिए भी हो, तो दोनों भी इसमें हो जाएगा. Just have one palette and you're sorted. By the sizes is again a little smaller. These are from Nykaa Cosmetics. I Go Pink. This is a I Go Pink one, and this is the I Go Bare one. They have also newly launched, so I wanted to try out the shades. Though I have pink palettes a lot and nude palettes a lot, but more the merrier. Metallic packaging, as you can see. It says it's a 3-in-1 eyeshadow palette. Let's check out why. Okay, this is the way it opens. The plastic is out. And can you see the shade? It has a mirror over here. And the shades are so beautiful. There are pink shades, there are purple shades, there are glittery shades. So I get it why it is called like a 3-in-1 palette. It screams Y2K for some reason, like the Korean makeup looks. Exactly, थोड़े बहुत shades वैसे है, थोड़े lighter shades है, थोड़ा dark shade है, थोड़े glittery shade, and glitters also are not like one shaded glitters. It's different mixed kind of glitters. Love to play with this palette for sure. Again, a metallic kind of packaging with a golden color. That one was in pink. Beautiful nude plus glittery shade. So it's a proper kind of nude palette, but you can go glitz and glams with some nude tones as well. A Revolution ka palette, you guys know I love Revolution ke eyeshadow palettes, so I had to get this one. This is a little different kind of shade tones. अगर आपको यहाँ पे दिख रहा होगा, I don't want to open it. Wait, let me just open this. ये थोड़ा सा different kind of color shade थीम में है, बिकॉज मोस्टली मैं न्यूड्स एंड ये सब ही उठाती हूँ. दिस इज थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट शेड टोन में है. तो यहाँ पे 2 शेड्स आपको क्रीमी में मिल रहा है, एंड बाकी के जो शेड रेंज है यू कैन सी ओवर हियर आर अ लिटिल डिफरेंट, थोड़े से आर्टिस्टिक है. सो आई वांटेड टू ट्राई आउट सम न्यू आई शेडोज एज वेल, बिकॉज मेरे पास बहुत ही बोरिंग आई शेडो पैलेट्स है, वही सेम न्यूट्रल्स, पिंक्स एंड मॉव टोन्स. तो आई वांटेड टू एक्सपेरिमेंट, एंड इसमें बहुत ज्यादा ग्लिटर शेड्स है एंड थोड़े से ही यू कैन से थोड़े से बेस टोन्स है एंड थोड़े से ग्लिटरी शेड्स है. सो इट्स अ मिक्स palette, so we can use this one for new experimental and creative looks as well. The last eyeshadow palette in the category is by the K Beauty. A lot of K Beauty products, I must say. Like K Beauty has been in our video for the longest now. Again, a beautiful golden mini packaging, and I went for the shade Power palette again because मुझे चाहिए था, and I wanted to try the K Beauty shades. It has very subtle dark brown, a light peach shade, a medium brown and a black tone. So perfect अगर आपको smoky eye या coal eye makeup look करना है, quickly glam करना है, तो I think this one's perfect. The next category in eye makeup is the eyeliners or kajals. So for kajal, I didn't wanted to get basic kajal, so I opted for another color as well. One is a brown liquid eyeliner. The second is a brown kohl pencil. This one is also a eyeliner and a kajal duo from K Beauty. Then I got another one which is by Inside, and it's a nude kajal pencil. I never had a nude kajal pencil to give like a opened eye look. Next one is from Mars. This is a white kajal, and yeah, and the last but not the least, the lash maximizer mascara by K Beauty. K Beauty ones. The first is the K Beauty ka 24-hour long lasting transfer proof smudge proof Kohl Star kajal pencil, and this is the way it looks. Kajal pencil, if you can, it is a dark brown kajal pencil. Let's see. Okay, this is the way the tip looks. Smudging it right here. Can you see? Yeah, it is a dark, very dark brown kind of a tone. बहुत ऐसे बहुत ज्यादा bold नहीं लगेगा, बहुत soft and cool look लगेगा. Next up is the again by K Beauty the Eye Stylist liquid liner, again in a brown tone. थोड़ा सा lighter tone है. It's the Sizzling Mocha. थोड़ा सा lighter लग रहा है. And can you see the progress? I have started using liquid liners. That also in colors now. Yeah, it is in a darker shade, but not that dark. जैसे ये काजल था. This is the kajal right here, and this is the shade. Is a little bit darker, but not more darker than the kajal. Has a subtle kind of effect. So yeah, we can try this out very soon. ये नया था. This is again by K Beauty. But ये kajal भी है, and plus it's a eyeliner. They have launched new duo combo. So of course I wanted to see how it is. This is the way the packaging looks like. I think this is the kajal tip or this is the liner tip. This is the liner, and let me check the liner. Yeah, the black liner. And then when you switch, this is the kajal side. सो इट्स सो कन्वीनियंट। अगर आप कहीं जा रहे हो और आपको दोनों चाहिए, आपको काजल और आपका लाइनर चाहिए, तो आपको अलग अलग कैरी करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। परफेक्ट काजल, काजल, परफेक्ट ब्यूटीफुल काजल, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स गुड। तो आपको अलग अलग कैरी करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, आप दोनों एक ही साथ कैरी कर सकती हो। सो वेरी वेरी कन्वीनियंट। इज द न्यूड काजल बाय इनसाइट, एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी इंट्रीग्ड कि ये कैसे दिखता है। टिप, लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट। ओके, वेरी सॉफ्ट स्किन कलर, कैन यू सी? Very soft skin color, will look beautiful on your waterlines, will make your waterlines look big. बहुत ही soft kind of peach tone है, and waterlines पे जब आप apply करोगे आपके आंखें ऐसे भरी भरी सी दिखेंगी. So yeah, I want to create look with this very very soon. Next one is the white liner by Mars. This also makes your, and comes with a sharpener as well. I loved it. Okay, has a white packaging, and this also makes your eyes look badi badi. इससे भी आपकी आंखें बड़ी बड़ी अच्छी से दिखती हैं. This is a white pencil. See, ब्यूटिफुल ब्यूटिफुल। इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट से आप अपने आंखें से वाइडन एंड थोड़े सॉफ्ट लुक दे सकते हो विथ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कोल मेकअप गोइंग। नेक्स्ट इज द ब्रशेस। सो आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ब्रशेस, बट दीज आर द न्यू लॉन्चेस। ये एंगुलर काइंड ऑफ ब्रशेस है जो आजकल बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेंड में चल रहे हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ द एंगुलर वे इट लुक्स। तो आपका कंसीलर हो या आपका फाउंडेशन हो, जो भी ब्रश आप ले रहे हो, वो बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाता है। सो आई गॉट माई सेल्फ द पैक का S11 कंसीलर बफर ब्रश, and another one I got was pack ka S09 contour brush, because I don't have a perfect contour brush, and because it has a angular shape जैसे मैंने कहा है. This is the concealer brush. Can you see it's angled in one side? So it is very very perfect to blend your concealer under eye और आपके eyelid पे when you're doing eye makeup. एंड बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग होल्ड है इसका, बहुत लक्स लग रहा है, एंड आई कैन जस्ट इजीली ब्लेंड इट नाउ इनसाइड द कॉर्नर. माय अर्लियर कंसीलर ब्रश, प्लीज डोंट माइंड, थोड़ा सा डर्टी है. सो इट इज वेरी फ्लफियर. देख सकते हो आप शेप इसका जो फ्लफियर है एंड ओवल साइड में है, whereas ये जो है वो एंगुलर साइड में है. तो it makes very convenient and easy to blend out my concealer in the inner corner. My previous contour brush is also a little angular, but is again in a fluffier side. This is in a smaller size, and again one side पे बहुत ज़्यादा angular है, तो it will blend my contour perfectly. जैसे ऐसे if you are doing your contour, it's going to blend it very easily. Cream contour, your powder contour, both can work with this. Last product of this haul is a fixer. Of course, सारा ये मेकअप फिक्स करने के लिए आपको फिक्सर चाहिए होगा. Is best none other than a 24-hour makeup fixer. So I got one which is the PAC का 24-hour makeup fixer. Heard a lot about it. और अगर आप heavy looks कर रहे हो, heavy makeup looks कर रहे हो, bridal looks कर रहे हो, then I think definitely you should get this in your vanity, because it locks your makeup for 24 hours. 24 hours तक आपका मेकअप बिल्कुल भी हिलेगा नहीं. Beautiful packaging, and it says India's first patent bridal makeup fixer formula. So of course it is also authorized to be a bridal makeup fixer. शादी है, आपके घर में शादी है या बहुत बड़ा कोई फंक्शन है, I think this works, and I think PAC actually makes good makeup fixers. I have always got my fixers from either Makeup Revolution or from PAC. With that, I reached the end of this Nykaa's pink sale haul, and I hope सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आपको हेल्पफुल होंगे, बिकॉज ये ज्यादा भी लक्स रेंज में नहीं है. अगर है भी तो आपको 60%, 60-70% ऑफ मिल रहा है, बिकॉज द सेल इज ऑन. एंड नेक्स्ट टाइम आपका सेल होगा तो सेव दिस recommendations for sure. Hope this video has turned out to be helpful for you guys, and if it did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and comment what video you want next, or anything, or any suggestion or any recommendation. I would love to answer that. And with that, I sign off, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon. Till then, bye bye.